Home, where we share precious moments with those we love. But hidden in plain sight are particles of dust, pollen, pet dander, mold, viruses, and bacteria. Now protect the ones you love with the NuWave OxyPure Air Purifier. The secret is the revolutionary BioGuard filter that kills the tiniest bacteria like staph and flu viruses. But we took air cleaning to the next level by adding 3 more cleaning filters. The stainless steel pre-filter captures large particles like pet hair. The ozone filter removes harmful ozone emissions. And the HEPA-activated carbon filter traps allergens, odors, and smoke. OxyPure's 4 filters and 6-speed fan remove virtually 100% of indoor air pollutants. Unlike other air purifiers that need expensive filters year after year, OxyPure is one of the only air purifiers that has a filtered for 20 years, saving a fortune. Other brands only have a one-sided vent, but OxyPure has 360 degrees of vents that clean the air in every direction. And just look at this amazing demonstration. Into this leak-proof chamber, we pumped yellow smoke. Then we put OxyPure to the test. As you can see in this unsimulated live demonstration, OxyPure filtered clean all of the nasty pollutants within 30 seconds. Incredible! The BioGuard filter rinsed clean in seconds. It's completely washable and reusable for 20 years. Roll lightweight OxyPure into any room. The bedroom sleep mode is whisper quiet and light free. Turn on the ultimate clean mode for high pollution allergy season. The turbo mode eliminates smoke and odors from cooking or cleaning. Now you and those you love can live well for less with the all-new NuWave OxyPure Air Purifier. Are you ready for an amazing deal? Order today and get 3 additional OxyPure activated carbon HEPA filters free. OxyPure's carbon HEPA filter eliminates household odors, fumes, and volatile organic compounds. The perfect solution for smokers, removing cooking odors, and cleaning chemicals. Is a $150 value, but it's included free today.
Meet the molecule AirMini Plus. So what's new in the Mini Plus? Particle sensing. AirMini Plus's sensor rates air particle levels from good to very bad, offering a glance into your indoor air. The new Auto Protect mode automatically adjusts your fan speed based on particles sensed in the room. And with its vegan leather handle, AirMini fits seamlessly into the home. AirMini Plus is designed for rooms up to 250 square feet and features Molecule's patented PECO technology. PECO not only removes larger particles like dust, dander, and pollen, but it destroys microscopic pollutants like viruses, chemicals, bacteria, and mold. With AirMini Plus, you can plug it in and relax, knowing that you're destroying the widest range of pollutants compared to conventional purifiers.
The Honeywell Air Genius 6 is our smartest air purifier ever. A state-of-the-art pre-filter reduces odors and VOCs, while our washable particle IFD filters capture up to 99.9% of airborne particles, such as dust, smoke, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores as small as 0.1 micron. These powerful filters also help capture certain bacteria and viruses. The AirGenius 6 quietly cleans the air in a large room up to 5 times an hour, making your home smell fresher and cleaner. And with 6 cleaning levels, you can select the right cleaning level based on your specific needs from germ setting to allergen to pet setting. The AirGenius 6 is so smart, it includes Bluetooth smart technology, which has extra features not available on other models, such as the ability to set a timer, create a schedule, dim the control lights, quiet it for sleeping, or even get alerts about allergen levels in your area. You can even use your mobile phone as a remote control. But the AirGenius 6 is even smarter than that. It can detect VOCs in the air, and the app collects pollen level data in your neighborhood and uses that information to select the optimal cleaning level. Just set the AirGenius 6 to automatic, and it will do all the work for you. So the only thing smarter than the AirGenius 6 is you. You genius, you.